The Via Rail train is up and going again. There's right now a Canadian National Hopper train behind. So a dome car. It's going now. Goodbye, Via Rail. So it's still behind my house though. But once you can see the end of the train, you can see the Canadian National Hopper train. There's a few locomotives. Is that another dome car? Yep. Goodbye, Via Rail. That is the end. And there's the train. It's reversing. It better not just... Is it reversing into the train? Oh, there's the Hopper train. Goodbye, Via Rail. Make sure to like and subscribe. Get me to 40 subs. Bye. Bye.